Alrighty, Kyler, here's your 427 small block Ford. Your description is combination. It's got AFR heads on it. Got some grind hydraulic oil. Got the Pro-Am manifold. Got the beautiful Shelby cone covers. I love them. Little specialty front end on it. Got some self-oil pan. Go in there and make a run. See if it does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,600, 452 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 536, peak horsepower 578 rated, 575. It's got a front end on it, so runs good. Next thing we'll do is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, and I'll show you a couple other things. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, find this thing that looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. It's got your engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend plug it in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have a bunch of specifications and your engine number. If you need anything from us, that is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over. It's got a UR code. Hover over that, click on it, take you to our site. Some more technical stuff. So highly recommend watch all this stuff. It'll definitely help your installation. Have a great day.